पहले मैं पर्ल फाइल दिखाती हूँ। वी हैव दीज रजिस्टर्स, तो इसी पे ऑडियो देना ये है। इसके बाद वी हैव मेन फंक्शंस, तो रीड मेमोरी reads and stores into memcontents.txt, where we have register writes and reg reads. उसके बाद
बराबर ही कर देना है क्या?
नहीं भाई
क्यों?
वो बहुत स्लो चलता है।
क्या?
ये अपना रिकॉर्डिंग ये करना है बोल रहा है क्या तू?
हाँ अभी कर देते हैं, मैं कर देता हूँ तो मतलब वॉइस ओवर।
अच्छा ठीक है, रुक जा फिर। टाइम याद रख 15:49, ठीक है। मैं पर्ल फाइल समझाती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं ये कमांड्स दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है। तो तू बोल कि पहले मैं फाइल लोड करूंगी, वो डाउनलोड होने के बाद I'll set the address to location 4, I'll read the address, तो 64 है उसका कंटेंट, ये बता बस इम्पोर्टेंट है वो
किसका?
होने के लोकेशन 4 का,
हम्म
ठीक है। उसके बाद I'll do ये सब इनिशियलाइज कर दूंगी, मैं बोलूंगी dmem और imem इनिशियलाइज हुआ, वो होने के बाद रन। Now processor is running, now I've stopped the run, now I'm doing read dmem, ठीक है। रीड dmem होने के बाद मैं नोटपैड खोलकर मेम के कंटेंट्स दिखा दूंगी।
तो मेरे को बोलना है कि we first download the bit file in the netfpga and then these are the commands, do run, stop, set
राइट
address, read address. The set address, the basically the address 4 has value 64. Then we
हाँ
have the following commands: read address, run, stop, read dmem, and then we'll see the contents of
कंटेंट्स, हाँ और जब कंटेंट
in a
देखेंगे
notepad.
तो बोलना since our command was to write to location 4, the content that was copied, तो 4 हो जाता है उसके बाद।
ओके 64 का 4 हो रहा है मतलब।
हाँ ठीक है, ये टाइम देख ले 5:51 3:51, ठीक है।
हेलो।
हाय सो ए भाई कौतुक रुक जा।
ओह सॉरी
So we have written the Perl file to demonstrate. So we are look मैं वापस start करती हूँ. So we have written this Perl file to demonstrate the working of our pipeline design in Verilog code. As we had seen previously, the simulations work fine for all the instructions of load and store words. Now here we have the command register and the address and data out registers through which we can access the contents. And now we have used the regwrite and regread function from the previous sections. Utilizing these, we have created functions to read from the memory. So it reads from the memory and stores it into a text file. Here the contents are read line by line, and all of these data of 5 and 2 locations would be written. After that, we have initialization instructions so that we can write to the instruction memory. So the first one basically reads from location 2 and stores onto register, reads from memory location 0 and stores the data into location 2. Similarly, this instruction here, it reads from memory location 0 and stores the content into reg location 3. After this, there is some no-op instruction, so that since we don't have any control unit at this stage, it's having no-ops to prevent any collisions and overwritten of data. After this, the instruction followed at the fifth instruction is basically a memwrite instruction, which is basically writing to location 4, the contents of which was read from location 0, that is 4 would be overwritten. Now, this is our reset file for data memory. Here, we can see that at location 0, I've stored 4, at location 1, 0 is stored, and at location 2 is 0 is stored, mean as location 4 where 64 is stored. And these are how the functions are being called here. Let's look at each of them.
So we'll first download the bit file in the netfpga, the bit file that we have generated. Then we have multiple commands that we have specified in the Perl file, like read address, set address. So basically, we are setting the location number 4. As Farah said earlier, that we are storing 64 inside memory location 4. Now we are doing the run command from the Perl file, followed by the stop command. Then we are reading the dmem by using the read memory option. Here we can see that now the data stored in memory location 4 is 4, which was earlier 64. So that happens because of the fourth instruction that Farad explained earlier, that we are storing the contents of memory location 2 into location 4, which updates the memory contents. Now we can see from the memory contents text file that the location 4 has been updated from 64 to 4, from which it took from the memory location 0.